I want the supporters, not just of Kogalo, but of all teams, to come out in their thousands to support the teams, you know, because Kenyan football is coming back. There's no doubt it's been on a low point for a few years, but we can get Kenyan football back to the really high standards, you know, full stadiums, high quality football, high quality pitches. So that's what I want to see over the next 3 to 5 years. All these new stadiums that are being built, I want to see them full with fans like today. And you know, I'm going to be looking on now as a fan, not just of Kogalo, but of the Kenyan League in general.